Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It is Jen with Home Eunice Plans, and I am back with another memory spread. For this week, I will be planning out the week of July 5th, and I will be using this stunning kit called Coral from PaperMuseCrafts. It is in rose gold foil, and of course, I also picked up the deco sheet and the add-on fancy boxes, because that's just who I am as a person, and I like to apparently do the most in terms of my kit buying process. But anyways, I'm going to speed you guys up, lay down the base of the spread, and then get back. Oh wait, before I do that, I have to take just a second and talk about the spread, the base real quick. I went super hard and extra, and I channeled my inner Lauren and Rachel and Tay and did up my date covers to filth. I pulled in florals and the mini deco, and there's actually one date cover in particular where I utilized the wave divider from Sadie Stickers and the little dolphin popping out of the wave and the florals and all of it. And I was really happy with how the date covers turned out. I am like a week behind on my plan with me's, and I don't know why that is. I'm trying to slowly but surely get caught up. So hopefully I can do that. But anyways, I was really happy with how this spread turned out. Like I said, I went above and beyond and tried to go extra in this spread because I've been holding on to this kit, and I was really excited when I first got it in the mail. So yeah, I just did the most and pulled out all kinds of deco, and it was rose gold, so it turned out stunning. But anyways, yeah, I guess there really isn't much to speed through and talk to you guys about. I haven't done a voiceover in what feels like forever. I talked about this a little bit on my Instagram, but I had a sinus infection last week, and I sounded like Kermit the Frog and could not do a voiceover. It was just insane. Luckily, I had a haul that I posted pre-recorded and everything, but there was just no way that I was going to be able to get a plan with me voiceover done because I sounded absolutely ridiculous. So that's another reason as why I'm a little bit behind. But okay, so we're in the day-to-day now. Wow, I talked through the entire laydown of the base. I never do that. Anyways, starting off, I wanted to mark my Zoom class on Monday, and I pulled in one of those fancy boxes that was an add-on sheet that I purchased separately, but it matched the colors in the kit, and I was really obsessed with it. I did pull in an extra floral sheet from Sadie Stickers as well, because yes, I did buy the extra floral deco sheet that came with this kit, but I like to be extra, apparently, and I really like the way that these florals looked as well. And so I go back and forth so that way I can, I don't know, save florals throughout the entire spread, because in my brain I'm like, it's never enough. But anyways, to mark my Zoom class, I pulled in some florals from Sadie Stickers. The yoga mat is from Crafts by Towie, and the customized Zoom class script is one that my mom made for me. I did want to mark that I uploaded my functional July setup on this day as well. So I pull in a couple of their patterned headers from the kit, and I layered a box from My Newest Addiction over top of that. Got that trick from Lauren. Thank you, girl. And the planner spread is from Crafts by Towie. I did want to mark that I spent the entire day over at my parents' house, because this was kind of our family 4th of July day. All of my siblings were over there, my nieces, my nephews. It was good times to be had. So I pull in the mini 1.0 lace box from Balloon Paper Studio. The house is from the Pretty Pink Co. The next thing I wanted to mark on Monday, we had a family gym day. So everyone, my brothers, my sister, my friend, my husband, his bandmates, we all went to the gym. And so I marked going to the gym the same way throughout this week, but I utilized the confetti circle that comes with the kit and also the shoe that came with the kit to mark family gym night, which was a lot of fun. And then we all went back to my parents' house. My dad grilled bourbon chicken. So I pulled in a label from the kit. I layered it with some more florals from Sadie Stickers, another wave divider. I utilize an entire sheet of wave dividers in this spread. It's a $2 Tuesday sheet, so it's not very big, but still I utilize a whole sheet of rose gold wave dividers. And the grill is from Wait Dear Stationery. Okay, so I'm already at the bottom of Tuesday, but we're just gonna go to the top. I wanted to mark sleeping in. I pull on a label from the kit. I layer it with some more florals. The little robe and slippers are from Crafts by Towie. I had a plan with me binge on this day, so I pull in a lace circle from Bloom Paper Studio, some more florals. The TV is from the Glitter Mama. I marked a gym session the same way with a confetti circle, but this time I pulled in a rose gold foiled shoe icon from the Glitter Mama. I had a personal training session on this day, so I pull in, I was really excited I got to pull in some midi boxes from Sadie Stickers. I believe this was in, oh gosh, I think this was the kiwi colorway. Don't quote me though, I'll let you guys know later. I pull in some florals from the kit, another wave divider from Sadie Stickers, and the kettlebell is from Crafts by Towie. And then to cap off the night, I did some planning in my functional planner. I have been loving doing my daily planning in my functional planner. I feel like I have a really good setup and a good system that I really like and I'm enjoying. If you guys are interested to see how I do that, I did a poll on Instagram asking if anyone would be interested in seeing how I actually functionally plan. People said yes, but I'd like to know on here as well if that's something you guys would be interested in. Leave it in the comments below. I love input. Okay, jumping over to Wednesday, I slept in again on this day. Jeez, one would think I work from home or something. But anyways, I pull in another one of those mini lace boxes from Bloom Paper Studio. So I alternate using one of these mini lace boxes and then a lace circle from Bloom Paper Studio every other day, just to kind of make it like cohesive and more put together. But I layer it with some florals from the kit. The sleep mask is from the Pretty Pink Co. I did some cleaning to my house on this day, so I pull in a paint swatch from Miss and Meow. The cleaning bucket is from Crafts by Towie. The little seashell dividers are from Sadie Stickers, and I do the same thing that I do when I with the sea divider things from Honey Inked, and I cut them in half because I feel like you can get more use out of them. But I layer that at the bottom, and then I put some more florals from Sadie Stickers. I organized some stickers on this day, so I pull in another fancy box from the add-on sheet, another wave divider, some deco from Honey Inked. The little sticker is from Planning World. I had another gym session, marked that the same way as I marked it the day before. And I also wanted to mark that I cooked dinner, so I pull in a half box and another seashell divider that I just cut in half. And the cutlery icon is from White Deer Stationery. Okay, so trying to get caught up here. On Thursday, I wanted to mark my Zoom class, and I marked my Zoom class pretty much the same way with a fancy box and florals and the yoga mat. I had a really bad migraine on this day. I started to not feel too terribly great towards the end of the week. This was the weekend where I got the sinus infection, and I think it started on this day because I had a terrible migraine, just an awful migraine on this day. So to mark that, I pull in a label from the kit, some florals from Sadie Stickers, and another seashell trim. The medicine bottle is from the Fox and Pip. Thankfully, it subsided enough to where I could go to the gym because your girl's got to get her gains. Maybe I'm just crazy. I don't know. But I marked that the same way with the confetti circle and the shoe from the Glitter Mama. I did my nails on this day, and I pull in another one of those midi boxes in the kiwi colorway, some florals from the kit, some deco from Honey Inked. That's my favorite nail polish icon from Crafts by Towie. Oh, I love it so much. And then I wanted to mark that I made some dinner. So I pull in another label from the kit. The cutlery icon is from the kit as well. And then I pull in another wave divider. Guys, I was obsessed with those wave dividers in this spread. Okay, so I'm caught up. Jumping over to Friday, I'm marking my Zoom class the same way with a fancy box from the add-on add-on fancy box sheet, some florals from the kit. The yoga mat is from Sadie Stickers. I did want to mark that I did my voiceover for my 4th of July plan with me on this day. This was a night that I was starting to get a little bit nasally. I tried really hard. Oh gosh, I must have done like 17 takes of my 4th of July spread because I was starting to sound super nasally on this night. So it took me like 5,000 takes to get that take right. But I pull in some more of those patterned headers, and I layered a box from My Newest Addiction. So the My Newest Addiction boxes, I kind of trimmed down to where you can only see the lines, which made it a little smaller. So I ended up having to cut off some of the excess of those headers, which is why you see me pulling in that slice tool. Okay, fun fact. usually I use an X-Acto knife to cut my stickers and a ruler and everything. And my X-Acto knife, it's a hand-me-down, first of all, or it was a hand-me-down. And I finally got myself a new one, and I got the craft knife from Fiskars. And oh my gosh, it's so freaking sharp. So I used that craft knife to cut the dividers from the seashell dividers from Sadie Stickers. And because I was so used to utilizing my X-Acto knife and I had to like use a bunch of pressure, I thought I had to do that same thing with the Fiskars knife. No, I cut through the entire sheet of Sadie stickers. Like, obviously the stickers still work, but it's like it cut through the entire sheet and split it. And I was like, oh my gosh, this craft knife is so sharp. So fair warning, if you've been utilizing an older craft knife and you haven't changed the blade and you get a new one, use a light hand. Otherwise, you may cut through your entire sheet of stickers. Anyways, the voiceover script is from Ice Cream Joe. The little microphone is from Planning World. I wanted to mark that I got ready on this night because I was going to go out and do some balloon twisting in a restaurant. I'm back to working in the evenings on the weekends, doing events and balloon twisting in restaurants, which I've honestly really missed. It's been over a year since I've been able to go and twist balloons in restaurants for kids, and I forgot how much I liked it and how much fun I had doing it and how much I enjoyed being creative and like creating new like balloon animals for kids at tables. Anyways, to mark that, I pull in another one of those lace circles from Bloom Paper Studio, some florals that I layered from the kit. All the deco is from Honey Inked, and the little compact is from White Deer Stationery. I love watching Hulu or YouTube while I get ready, so I marked Hulu binge while I got ready. I pull in another label from the kit. I layer the bottom with that little seashell divider from Sadie Stickers. The TV is an icon that came with the kit. I love utilizing the icons in PaperMuseCrafts kits because they match the spread so perfectly. So I was really glad to I tried really hard to pull in as many of the icons from the kit as possible. Oh, and to mark my balloon twisting, so I pull in a confetti circle, and I actually got to pull in the mixed color balloon bunch from White Deer Stationery just because I felt like all the colors of the balloons matched the spread really nicely. So I don't know, I was pretty happy to be able to pull that in. Okay, so jumping over to Saturday, I really was starting to feel crappy on this day. Like, my head was really pounding, and I was like taking Mucinex and everything because I could feel my sinuses really blocked. And yeah, I just like it felt like I had the world's worst allergies on the planet. My eyes felt like they were gonna pop out of my head, and it was insane. So I had a really lazy day. Like, I pretty much just kind of lounged about in my pajamas. So to mark that, I pull in some more pattern headers, and I layer the foiled box from My Newest Addiction over top of that, and then I use the little robe and slippers icon from Crafts by Towie just to mark that I had a little lazy morning. I wanted to mark that I published my I published my 4th of July plan with me on this day. So I pull in another one of those mini lace boxes from Bloom Paper Studio. The florals are from the kit. All of the deco is from Honey Inked, and then the planner is from White Deer Stationery. I'm so excited. I don't know why I didn't pull them in. I just hauled the spiral bound icons from White Deer Stationery, like the spiral bound planner icons. I don't know why I didn't pull them in on this spread, but oh well, it is what it is. I wanted to mark getting ready because my husband had a concert on this night, so I pull in another confetti circle, and then I love pulling in the Crafts by Towie perfume icons to mark getting ready. I'm like so tempted. I have a cart full of Crafts by Towie icons, and I'm on a no spend right now, or I'm attempting to be on a no spend. It's really hard though, and I feel myself breaking. Maybe on this next payday, probably on this next payday, I'm going to get some more Crafts by Towie icons just because I love them so much. They're so good. They're just so good. Anyways, I wanted to mark that my husband had a concert, so I pull in another mini box from Sadie Stickers. That's a different colorway. I'm not entirely sure what that colorway is. I'll look it up later. The florals are from the kit. The wave dividers from Sadie Stickers. The Sea Life bunch is from Honey Inked. The music notes are from White Deer Stationery. And then to cap off the night, after their concerts, we always like to go out as a group to IHOP. It's just kind of becoming like a tradition because their shows generally end pretty late, and IHOP is, you know, it's open 24 hours. So it's kind of becoming a thing. So to mark that, I pull in, that's actually a third box label that I got from a freebie from Nikki Plus 3. I just matched this kit pretty well. So I pull that in. I pull in the seashell divider from Sadie Stickers, some more florals from the kit, and the cutlery icon is from Crafts by Towie. Okay, jumping over to Sunday, I finally admitted to myself that I was sick. I had a sinus infection and no fever or anything. My throat wasn't sore. My sinuses were so blocked, and I felt like my head was I felt like my eyes were going to pop out of my skull because of how blocked my sinuses were. It was pretty pathetic. I sounded ridiculous. It was just not a good time. So to mark sick day, I pull in another fancy box from the add-on deco sheet. The florals are from the kit. All of the mini deco is from Honey Inked, and the little tissue box is from Crafts by Towie. I marked staying in bed with a label from the kit, and those little pillows are from Crafts by Towie. I actually pulled out my Switch and played Animal Crossing for the first time in like forever on this day, since I was in bed and I wasn't feeling good. So I utilized this time to try and get like caught up. So I went back to like I time traveled. I know you're not supposed to do that, but whatever. I want to get caught up and I want to get the miles. I went back in time to the last time I knew that I played, and I've just been like slowly, steadily like getting caught up on that day, getting them miles. Anyways, to mark Animal Crossing, I pull in a lace circle from Bloom Paper Studios, some florals, and some deco. I made BLTs on this night, so I pulled another icon from Crafts by Towie, and then I capped off the night with a very hot bath, because that's always what makes me feel better when I'm sick. Anyways, these are the leftovers from the kit along with a Viv Wiggle. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jen. I do planner things. I'm trying really hard to get caught up because I know I'm a couple Plan With Me's behind. I hope everyone is staying safe and staying well, and hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.